Feeling overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Let's transform that chaos into calm with Trello, your secret weapon for ultimate time management. First, sign up for a free Trello account and create a new board. Think of this board as your central command center for all things Tomorrow-related. Now, create lists representing the stages of your workflow: to do, doing, and done are great starting points. You can customize these to fit your specific needs, like Monday, Tuesday, waiting on, or whatever makes sense for your tasks. Next, populate your to-do list with individual tasks as cards. Click Add a card, give it a clear, concise title, and then click on the card to add more detail. Use the description field to break down the task into smaller, manageable steps. Supercharge your cards with due dates to set deadlines. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority, project, or any other system that works for you, and checklists. They're perfect for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, actionable items, making even the most daunting projects feel achievable. The real magic happens when you start moving cards. As you begin working on a task, drag it from the to-do list to the doing list. This visual representation of your progress keeps you motivated and focused. Once a task is complete, celebrate that win by dragging it to the done list. Seeing your accomplishments accumulate provides a huge sense of satisfaction and helps you track your productivity over time. To get a bird's-eye view of your schedule, use the calendar power-up. This visual calendar helps you see upcoming deadlines and plan your week effectively. By using Trello in this way, you'll not only manage your time more effectively, but you'll also reduce stress, increase productivity, and finally conquer that overwhelming to-do list. Start organizing your life with Trello today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.